Do I need any more hair? No, but I absolutely want it. But if you're gonna buy Yummy extensions, the time is now. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Yummy Extensions LAO Wavy. I've had this hair before, and if you are new here, I've been reviewing Yummy hair extensions for quite some time now. I've been shopping with them for at least 10 years, so babes, I know what I'm talking about. For those that are new here, my name is Antonette Shay. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you're interested, of course. Jumping straight into the video, this is the Yummy Extensions box that you get when you have over a certain amount of purchases. This hair did not come in this particular box. My Rare Blends came in this box, but you guys, I just wanted to show you because lately, if you go on Yummy Extensions Instagram, all the girls are getting this box when you spend over a certain amount. Now I have in the LAO Wavy, I have in 4 bundles. I do believe I purchased 22s and 20s. I will have to go into the details and check, but I did cut this hair. So this is very much giving like 20 inch because I didn't really cut the bottom. I purchased this hair, I want to say almost a year ago. It's not a full year yet, but I felt like I could give you my 1 year update review on this hair. You guys, this hair is beautiful. It's installed on a sew-in, lightly layered. I've installed it with the flip over method. All 4 bundles are in here. If I left any hair out, it's maybe like this big, like maybe this big. There's been a lot of controversy on some of my other videos with my hair extensions recommendations, and I just want to clear this up before I go into the video. When I say something is good quality and affordable, trust and believe I am not paid to say this. I have purchased Yummy extensions with my own hard-earned money for years. The Rare Blends was sent to me, and one of the hairs that I did win in a giveaway, but I have some textures that I just dislike, and I'm very honest about it. So when you come to my channel and you ask me questions, trust me, I deliver based on my experience. If you are having any issues with your hair extensions, I highly recommend you reach out to the Yummy Extensions customer service, and also read, they have a hair care tips on their page, if I'm not mistaken. But in this video, I'm going to be covering my install, what I use to wash and condition my hair, the maintenance, all of that. So let's get into it. First, I want to talk about the products that I use on my hair. The main products that I use on my hair are the Amika. This is the shampoo and conditioner. This is the Hydro Rush Intense Moisture Conditioner and Shampoo. Now, y'all, I'm not lying when I say you don't have to use these, but I like to use on my high quality raw hair extensions anything that I use in my natural hair. And I am a relaxed girly, and this, when I tell you it is intense and hydrating and moisturizing, screenshot it because you're gonna need it. The Amika is so good. When I first started purchasing Yummy hair extensions years ago, they actually used to put in an Amika. It was the soul food one. It was a deep conditioning pack. They would give that to you with your bundle. So look, I mean, this is not, I don't believe this is on their recommendations anymore. Still use Amika to this day. So if you don't want to buy both, I would highly recommend you get the conditioner. You can get an affordable shampoo. I use the Cream of Nature shampoo on this hair, and it works really, really well. One thing that I do like about this is it does leave like a very moisturizing coat on the hair, even on my natural hair. And when I put heat to it, it's not burning or anything like that. And it just feels very soft. Even without this, the hair still has a really nice luster. But these products are really good. It's all you need. I do not use any leave-in conditioners on this hair. I don't really put any oil on this hair. I don't put any, the only spray I'll use is the Sebastian Shaper Dry Brushable Spray. There's Sebastian Shaper Plus. I'll insert a photo right here because I'm not going to pull everything out my bathroom. That's just too much. But anyway, yes, I use that, and just look at how I washed my hair recently. Like, I just want to show you guys, this hair has no product in it. No product in it. And it is just shiny. Like, this hair does not tangle. I have not gotten any tangling. I do not get frizz with this hair. Like, the frizz is almost like barely there. Now, you're going to get frizz with any hair extensions, even your own natural hair. But in comparison to the Cambodian Natural Wave and the Cambodian Wavy Elegance and my Cambodian Curly Wave, the frizz on Cambodian versus LAO, 2 different conversations, okay? 2 totally different conversations. I do not need to maintain I don't need anything for this hair. When I'm telling you this hair is low maintenance and high quality, you really get a bang for your buck. I don't need 4 bundles, but I like fullness, and I feel like 3 is the bare minimum. But where I'm at in life right now, babes, 4 bundles, okay? 4 bundles, unless you have a closure. If I have a lace closure, then I'll do 3 bundles and a lace closure, but I have not been wearing those lately. But I might just go back because I want to get a lace closure for my Rare Blends. Anyway, staying on topic. Now, when I curl my hair, I only have to curl my hair once a week. And when I say once a week, I mean once a week. You do not need to curl this hair every single day. It holds a curl extremely well. And I actually go in with a rod set or some rollers. And I actually go on with the rod set or some rollers to maintain my curls. I have the bucket right here. I'm going to just go ahead and show you. Now, today I curled my hair with the Kosas. They're Kosas heating wands. I think it's like a 5-in-1. And it was on sale, so make sure you guys are checking out the sales because that is how I get my bundles. I shop on sales. I don't buy my bundles at full price. And I don't always buy them all at once. I've built my collection over time. So for those that are saying, you know, it's not as affordable to you, you just got to pay attention and shop the sales, because babes, the sales is just as affordable as a lot of these other companies. But the overnight heatless curls have become trendy. To me, all it is flexi rods rolled up in your hair overnight. But I do the same method, the 1, 2, 3. I recorded that in my vlog, and I'll leave the link down below if you want to check that vlog out to see how I did it in another video on how I did the curls. But I curl my hair with the curling iron, and once I'm done curling it, I actually go in with these 3, and I kept it. You could get these at your local beauty supply store for, I paid $5.99, and this is a 3-pack of the Diane rods. This is the 10 by 1/4 inch. 10 by 1 1/4 of an inch. This is the extra large twist flexi rods. If you want to screenshot it, this is what it looks like. When I'm telling you 3 is all you need, because I curled my hair and I put 1 in the back, 1 in the middle, and 1 in the top, and you curl them towards your face. That way when you take it out and you brush it back, you get that volume. You get all this ba boom, you know. But if you want your curls tighter, just get a smaller rod set. I also like to use Velcro curlers to hold my hair. Now, when I want to have more of like just a blowout look, like a real blowout look, like a brushed out blowout look, I'll use these after I curl my hair. And then sometimes, like later on in the week, then I'll go in with these maybe after 2 or 3 days just to have a curl, because I don't really like to wear my hair straight when I want it to be curly, if that makes any sense. But I use these Velcro curlers. If you are not sure how to use these, I also made a video a few months ago. It's called Voluminous something something. I'll leave the link down below as well. Now, if you have relaxed hair, your hair should blend in with this, but it also depends on the texture of your hair. My hair is pretty fine, and it does blend well. I do think my natural hair blends much better with the Cambodian hair extensions, but it still has a really nice blend. If you could kind of see it, I'm looking at my viewfinder right here. This is the natural oil on my hair, and I'm telling you, that is from the Amika, this intense hydrating intense moisture conditioner. I'm telling you, this stuff is the truth, and my hair feels so good. I'm also going to insert a clip right here. When this hair is wet, it is a very soft wave. If you don't want to curl your hair, put any heat to the hair, what I do sometimes is put 4 plaits or 4 braids in my hair, sleep in it overnight, and then wake up and just take it out, and then you're good to go. The hair is not heavy at all. So 4 bundles might seem like a lot to some people, but this hair is very lightweight. The wefts are very thin. They're very fine. They're not bulky. You can easily flip them over, which is how I'm able to fit 4 bundles in my tiny ass head, because my head's little, okay? My head is very little. I'm not gonna show you my edges, but it's little. I didn't even really leave anything out. I actually had my mother-in-law do my braid down, and then I went ahead and I sewed it in. And you guys, this hair just makes you really feel like that woman. And as y'all know, I am really planning to elevate my style and just everything overall, and I just can't see myself really wearing anything besides raw hair. I have recommended some other hair on my channel, but nothing will ever compare to the Yummy Extensions LAO Wavy. Now, price point, I'm just gonna say buy this hair when it's on sale. Holidays are around the corner, Black Friday is around the corner, Christmas is around the corner, New Year's is around the corner, Valentine's Day is around the corner. When I'm telling you, Yummy Extensions is always having one-day sales, extended sales, pop-up sales. Just have a couple coins ready. If you are not ready to purchase all 4 bundles at once, maybe purchase 2 and then purchase another 2. Afterpay is available. I believe it's Afterpay, Klarna, or Affirm, whatever. They're available, and I promise you, once you start shopping Yummy Extensions, it's gonna be hard to go back. It's gonna be hard to go back. I have so many girls that have always purchased like hair from like maybe Amazon, and finally just was like, you know what, Antonette Shay said go ahead and get them Yummy bundles. I'm gonna go ahead and try it, and they love it. I know some people are in my videos and they're like, oh, I think you guys are not maintaining the hair the correct way, or you're getting the hair and you just doing Lord knows what with it. I don't know what you're putting in the hair. I don't know. But raw hair extensions is just like your natural hair. You have to take care of it. If you don't take care of it, then like, why not take care of your investment? If you invest your money in something, why not take care of it? I personally like Yummy hair extensions. I like the way the hair feels. All of my bundles I've had for a very long time. I've had LAO way before, and I got rid of it just because when I'm telling you, I done chopped up them bundles and glued them bundles up, and I just was like, I just wanted another excuse to buy some more hair. So I made room for more. I do have the Yummy Extensions LAO Wavy, the Yummy Extensions Cambodian Wavy Elegance, the Cambodian Natural Wave, I have the rare blends, and I have the natural straight. So yeah, I have a lot of their hair, and I actually want to try the Yummy Extensions, the Angelic collection, because that is Indian hair, you guys. I do have Indian hair, but from another, I do have some Indian hair, but that's from someone else I'm not going to mention in this video. But when I'm telling you, I have been waiting, and I absolutely love Indian hair. Now, that one is not on sale, and I understand because it's brand new, but babes, I'm going to have to wait until that's on sale, because do I need any more hair? No, but I absolutely want it. And I also want to get the clip-in extensions, because I do want to try to wear my natural hair out a little bit more, give my hair a break. You guys have asked me for some clip-in extension like styles and how to do ponytails and things like that again. So we're gonna see. But this is my update. It's been almost a year, and this hair is just so damn good. Like, if I can't say anything else, shop Yummy Extensions. Sign up for the email list. You get 10% off with that. Anything that you could do to save money, go ahead and do it, sis. But if you're gonna buy Yummy Extensions, the time is now. You got from, what is this, November to December? Save up your coin, because I'm telling you, once you start, you're not gonna be able to stop. This is a commitment, okay? This is a commitment, sis. But anyway, I'm gonna stop rambling. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Like, let me know what Yummy Extensions you have. What's your experience with Yummy Extensions? And let's chat, because if you're having trouble with your hair, y'all know I like to try to help you, but let's keep it respectful, because yeah, the girls been a little, they've been a little, and I don't like that. Okay, I don't like that for me. But anyway, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.